A very good morning to all of you. So, this is for the students, those who have not attended the class, the online class. In the online class, we have discussed the poem Keeping Quiet. So, I'll just be giving you an overview and then the detailed explanation of the poem. This poem, it talks about that what is the importance of quiet introspection. Now, what is introspection? Introspection is analysis of self. कि जब हम खुद का analysis करते हैं, so it can transfer not only the life of an individual but also the face of the earth. Now, this poem is written by Pablo Neruda. Now, though his writings are simple and it is the realistic approach is there. This we have already discussed that the essence of the poem is based on introspection, and the poet feels that introspection is necessary in every individual's life, because when we are going to introspect ourselves, then only we'll be at peace and we will not expect anything from others. The first stanza of the poem says that now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still for once on the face of the earth. Let's not speak in any language. Let's talk for 1 second and not move our arms so much. अब यहाँ पर like the poet asks everyone to count up to 12 in their mind. अब ये जो number 12 है, why the poet is taken number 12 only? Because number 12 represents the hours in a day, right? And the number 12 represents the months in a year. The poet wants that all the people, they must realize the value of introspection. और वो इंट्रोस्पेक्शन हम किस तरीके से रियलाइज़ कर सकते हैं? By examining and analyzing our inner thoughts only in the moments of complete silence. Right? Poet कह रहे हैं कि आप silence is a language which is common in the entire world. पूरे world में if we don't know the language of each other, at least this language is common, that is the language of silence, that is the language of introspection. That is why he requested that every one of us should count to 12 and keep still for that particular time only. And then we all are going to speak only in one language, and that is the language of silence. And another thing which the poet means to say is कि हमें ज़्यादा मतलब एग्जामिनेशन की, अपने एग्जामिनेशन की ज़रूरत है, और वो लेट्स नॉट मूव आवर आर्म सो मच. मतलब यहाँ पोएट रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं दैट वी ऑल हैव टू बी स्टिल, विल नॉट स्पीक इन एनी लैंग्वेज एंड लेट्स इंट्रोस्पेक्ट ourselves. Why? Because after introspecting ourselves, we are going to find out the good and bad in us. Right? And इससे एक फ़ायदा और क्या होगा कि when we are going to introspect ourselves, when we are going to speak in one common language, that is the language of silence, it is going to bring unity among all the humans on the face of the earth. Why? Because for at least one moment, the poet is requesting that no one shall move their arms and no one, कोई मतलब signals नहीं होंगे, nobody is going to fight, nobody is going to argue with each other. So it is the movement of peace, the movement of calmness. This particular moment will be very sweet and unusual moment. तो इसलिए we have to introspect ourselves. The second stanza says that it would be an exotic moment without rush, without engines. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness. Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales, and the man gathering salt would look at his hurt hands. Now, what does the exotic moment means here? Exotic is very unusual moment, right? अब यहाँ पोएट कह रहे हैं कि when everything will come to a standstill, it will be a rare situation. कि ऐसा कभी अगर हुआ कि पूरे वर्ल्ड में each and every one of us we are quiet and we are introspecting ourselves, तो it will be a very sweet and unusual moment. There will be no hurrying and no noise of machines, right? Here the engines are being indicating that without rush, without engines. Why? Because every one of us, we are be running after one thing or other. एक will अगर पूरी हो जाती है, एक wish पूरी हो जाती है, we are having another wish with us. So यहाँ पर the poet, again I am repeating it, that the poet is saying to introspect yourself. The poet is saying that will be a moment when everybody is going to speak in the language of silence, and the poet is requesting that that particular moment will be strange because it has never happened earlier. Why? Because कोई किसी को harm नहीं कर रहा होगा. Now here the poet is imagining the change that introspection can bring about in different people. जैसे उन्होंने बात की, fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales, and the man gathering salt would look at his hurt hands, right? He says that fishermen roaming in the cold sea would stop harming whales, क्योंकि जब वो फिशिंग नहीं करेंगे तब whales harm नहीं होंगी, fishes की death नहीं होगी. They will fish only that much as is necessary for their life. And the man collecting salt from seashore would look at his hurt hand and be satisfied with as much as he already collected, right? उसको भी ये लालच नहीं होगा कि मुझे और salt जो है वो gather करना है. He will be satisfied, he will look towards his hurt hands and he would be satisfied with whatever he is having. Then what does the third stanza says? Those who prepare green wars, wars with gas, wars with fire, victory with no survivors, could put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers in the shade doing nothing. What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. Life is what it is about. I want no truck with death. Now here the poet is talking about green wars. Green wars here are the wars like when the people they are damaging the environment. Wars with gas are the chemical reactions. War with fire are the wars with, when you are using weapons and you are fighting. Now यहाँ पर बात हो रही है कि the people who exploit the nature, किस तरीके से नेचर को एक्सप्लॉइट करते हैं? बाय डिफॉरेस्टेशन, राइट? सो नेचर को डिस्ट्रॉय करते हैं बाय डिफॉरेस्टेशन, माइनिंग, फिशिंग इन द डीप सीज. एंड जो वॉरियर्स होते हैं, जो सोल्जर्स होते हैं, दे यूज़ वेपन्स टू किल द फेलो ह्यूमन बींग्स. They also need some time to introspect into the consequence of their action, कि वो क्या सिर्फ अपना जॉब कर रहे हैं, ऑर्डर्स फॉलो कर रहे हैं, या एक ह्यूमन कम्युनिटी को मार रहे हैं, राइट? ही वॉन्ट देम टू पुट न्यू क्लोथ्स, दैट इज ही वॉन्ट देम टू अडैप्ट अ न्यू अप्रोच टूवर्ड्स लाइफ एंड टू रियलाइज दैट किलिंग सो मैनी पीपल इज नॉट विक्ट्री. जो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट इसमें लाइन है, दैट इज़ द पोएट सेज दैट आई वॉन्ट नो ट्रक विथ डेथ. Now what does this indicate? You also think this we'll be discussing in next video, कि what does no truck with death it implies, and I want you to search it कि no truck with death को किस तरीके से correlate किया है. And you can WhatsApp me, you can WhatsApp in the class group. Thank you so much. Your assignments are being uploaded. Please have a look at your assignments and try to solve them. In next video, we will be discussing that what does no truck with death indicates and what is the purpose of self introspection.